Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing. If you've ever wondered how people earn money online by promoting products or services, affiliate marketing is likely the answer. This business model allows you to earn commissions by recommending products to others. It's a popular way to generate passive income, and with the right approach, anyone can get started. In this video, we'll break down what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and the steps you need to take to launch your own affiliate journey. Let's get started by understanding the basics. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals, known as affiliates, promote products or services for a company. When someone makes a purchase through the affiliate's unique link, the affiliate earns a commission. This model benefits both the company, which gains more exposure and sales, and the affiliate, who earns income without creating their own products. It's a win-win situation that has become a cornerstone of online business. Now, let's look at the key players involved in affiliate marketing. There are three main parties in affiliate marketing: the merchant, the affiliate, and the customer. The merchant is the company or individual selling a product or service. The affiliate is the promoter who shares the merchant's offerings with their audience. Finally, the customer is the person who makes a purchase through the affiliate's link. Each role is essential for the system to work smoothly. Understanding these roles helps you see where you fit in and how you can maximize your efforts as an affiliate. The process of affiliate marketing is straightforward. Affiliates sign up for a program, receive a unique tracking link, and share it with their audience. When someone clicks the link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. This tracking is made possible through cookies and special URLs, ensuring that sales are attributed to the right affiliate. The simplicity and scalability of this model make it attractive for both beginners and experienced marketers. Affiliate marketing offers numerous benefits. For affiliates, it provides a flexible way to earn income without the need to create or manage products. You can work from anywhere and choose products that align with your interests. For merchants, it's a cost-effective way to reach new customers and increase sales. The performance-based nature means companies only pay for actual results. This mutual benefit is why affiliate marketing continues to grow in popularity. There are several affiliate marketing models, including pay-per-sale, pay-per-click, and pay-per-lead. Pay-per-sale is the most common, where you earn a commission for each sale made through your link. Pay-per-click rewards you for driving traffic, regardless of whether a sale occurs. Pay-per-lead pays you when someone takes a specific action, like signing up for a newsletter. Understanding these models helps you choose the right program for your goals. Selecting a niche is a crucial step in affiliate marketing. A niche is a specific topic or market segment you want to focus on. Choosing a niche you are passionate about or have expertise in makes it easier to create content and connect with your audience. Popular niches include health, finance, technology, and lifestyle. The right niche can help you stand out and attract a loyal following. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find affiliate programs that fit. Look for reputable companies offering products or services that align with your audience's needs. Consider commission rates, payment terms, and support provided by the program. Popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Commission Junction. Take your time to compare options and select programs that offer real value. After identifying suitable programs, the next step is to sign up. Most affiliate programs have a straightforward application process. You'll need to provide basic information about yourself and your promotional methods. Some programs may review your website or social media presence before approval. Once accepted, you'll receive access to your affiliate dashboard and unique tracking links. Affiliate links are unique URLs that track the traffic and sales you generate. These links contain special codes that identify you as the referring affiliate. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, the system records the transaction and credits you with the commission. It's important to use the correct links to ensure you get paid for your efforts. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need a platform to share your links and content. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or social media account. Your platform is where you build trust with your audience and provide valuable information. Choose a platform that suits your strengths and where your target audience spends time. Growing an engaged audience is key to affiliate marketing success. Focus on providing value through helpful content, honest reviews, and useful tips. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions. The more trust you build, the more likely people are to follow your recommendations and use your affiliate links. Effective content is the backbone of affiliate marketing. Create blog posts, videos, or social media updates that educate, entertain, or solve problems for your audience. Product reviews, tutorials, and comparison guides are especially effective. Always aim to be authentic and transparent about your affiliate relationships. Search engine optimization, or SEO, helps your content reach more people. By using relevant keywords, optimizing your titles, and creating high-quality content, you can improve your rankings on search engines like Google. This increases your chances of attracting organic traffic, which can lead to more affiliate sales over time. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are powerful tools for affiliate marketers. Share engaging posts, stories, and videos to showcase products and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Consistency and interaction with your audience are key to building a loyal following and increasing your reach. Building an email list allows you to communicate directly with your audience. Send newsletters, product updates, and exclusive offers to keep your subscribers engaged. Email marketing is a great way to nurture relationships and promote affiliate products in a more personal way. Transparency is essential in affiliate marketing. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience, whether in blog posts, videos, or social media. This builds trust and ensures you comply with legal requirements. A simple statement like, "This post contains affiliate links," is usually sufficient. Most affiliate programs provide dashboards where you can track clicks, sales, and commissions. Monitoring your performance helps you understand what's working and where to improve. Use this data to refine your strategies and focus on the most effective content and channels. Optimization is an ongoing process in affiliate marketing. Test different types of content, headlines, and calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience. Small tweaks can lead to significant improvements in your conversion rates and earnings over time. Once you've found success with your initial campaigns, consider scaling up. This could mean expanding into new niches, joining additional affiliate programs, or investing in paid advertising. Scaling allows you to reach a wider audience and increase your income potential. Many beginners make mistakes like promoting too many products, neglecting their audience, or failing to disclose affiliate links. Focus on quality over quantity, always prioritize your audience's needs, and be transparent. Learning from others' mistakes can save you time and frustration. Affiliate marketing is subject to legal regulations, especially regarding disclosures and advertising standards. Familiarize yourself with the rules in your country and the requirements of each affiliate program. This protects you and builds credibility with your audience. One of the biggest attractions of affiliate marketing is the potential for passive income. Once you've created valuable content and built an audience, your affiliate links can continue to generate sales and commissions even while you sleep. This makes affiliate marketing a powerful tool for financial freedom. Despite its benefits, affiliate marketing comes with challenges. Competition can be fierce, and it may take time to see results. Algorithms and program rules can change, affecting your income. Persistence, adaptability, and continuous learning are key to overcoming these obstacles and achieving long-term success. The digital marketing landscape is always evolving. Stay updated by following industry blogs, joining affiliate marketing communities, and attending webinars or conferences. Keeping up with trends and best practices ensures you remain competitive and effective in your strategies. Connecting with other affiliate marketers can provide valuable insights and support. Share experiences, exchange tips, and collaborate on projects. Networking helps you stay motivated and learn from others who have faced similar challenges. Continuous learning is essential in affiliate marketing. Invest in courses, books, and resources to improve your skills. The more you know about marketing, content creation, and analytics, the better equipped you'll be to succeed. Relying on a single affiliate program can be risky. Diversify your income by joining multiple programs and promoting different products. This reduces your dependence on any one source and increases your earning potential. Understanding your audience is crucial for effective affiliate marketing. Use analytics tools to learn about their interests, behaviors, and preferences. Tailor your content and product recommendations to meet their needs, increasing your chances of success. Affiliate marketing isn't just about quick sales. Focus on building long-term relationships with your audience and the brands you promote. Consistent value and trust lead to repeat sales and lasting partnerships, which are the foundation of a sustainable affiliate business. Paid advertising, such as Google Ads or Facebook ads, can help you reach a larger audience quickly. While it requires an investment, it can accelerate your results if done correctly. Always track your return on investment and start with a small budget to test what works best. A landing page is a dedicated web page designed to convert visitors into leads or customers. Use landing pages to highlight the benefits of the products you promote and encourage visitors to take action. Well-designed landing pages can significantly boost your affiliate conversions. A/B testing involves comparing two versions of a web page or content to see which performs better. Test different headlines, images, and calls to action to optimize your affiliate campaigns. Regular testing helps you make data-driven decisions and maximize your results. Cookies are small files that track user activity after clicking an affiliate link. They ensure that you get credit for sales, even if the purchase happens days later. Different programs have different cookie durations, so it's important to know how long your referrals are tracked. With more people browsing and shopping on mobile devices, it's essential to optimize your content and affiliate links for mobile users. Ensure your website loads quickly, displays correctly, and provides a seamless experience on smartphones and tablets. Not every affiliate program will accept your application, especially when you're just starting out. Don't get discouraged. Focus on building your platform and audience, and reapply later. Persistence and continuous improvement will open more opportunities over time. Negative feedback is inevitable, especially when promoting products. Address concerns professionally and use criticism as an opportunity to improve. Honest communication and a willingness to learn will strengthen your reputation and relationships. Affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Set realistic goals, celebrate small wins, and remind yourself why you started. Surround yourself with supportive peers and keep learning to stay motivated on your journey. Let's look at a real-world example. Jane started her affiliate marketing journey with a blog focused on healthy living. By consistently sharing valuable tips and honest product reviews, she built a loyal audience. Over time, her affiliate income grew, allowing her to work full-time on her business. Jane's story shows that with dedication and the right strategies, affiliate marketing can be a rewarding career. There are many tools available to help affiliate marketers succeed. Use analytics platforms to track performance, keyword research tools for SEO, and email marketing software to manage your list. The right tools can save you time and boost your results. Balancing affiliate marketing with other responsibilities can be challenging. Set a schedule, prioritize tasks, and use productivity tools to stay organized. Effective time management helps you make steady progress and avoid burnout. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and patience to see significant results. Set realistic expectations and focus on consistent improvement. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep moving forward. Ethics play a vital role in affiliate marketing. Only promote products you believe in and that provide real value to your audience. Avoid misleading claims or aggressive tactics. Building an ethical business ensures long-term trust and success. Let's recap the key steps to start affiliate marketing. Choose a niche, research and join affiliate programs, create valuable content, build an audience, and optimize your strategies. Stay transparent, keep learning, and focus on providing value. With dedication, affiliate marketing can become a sustainable source of income. Affiliate marketing offers incredible opportunities for those willing to put in the work. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and the right strategies, you can build a thriving affiliate business. Start small, stay consistent, and always prioritize your audience's needs. Good luck on your affiliate marketing journey.